Hey guys, this is AC Lock here with Disruptor Manufacturing, and I just want to tell you about something a little exciting here. You know about our SoftwashOlogy line that we have on soft washing equipment. Some of you guys want something that will give you the ability to soft wash and pressure wash, but also possibly downstream all from the same skid at a price point that's very robust, but something that you can handle financially. And what we've put together here is kind of playing off the taco theme that we have with the SoftwashOlogy taco. We have developed the enchilada. All right, so when you're ready for the whole enchilada, we've got the whole enchilada. And the enchilada allows you to both soft wash and pressure wash out of the same rig. Now what we've done is we've come in here with our 42-inch skid. This is a 42-inch skid. The whole thing is basically 40 inches wide by 42 inches, about the size of a pallet. We've come in here with our reel stand light and our reel stand extender, and we've put 2 hose reels on this. Now these 2 hose reels give you your 2 different options that you have. So we have a 15-inch Mako reel by Stingray Reels here that is your soft washing reel, and it has your what we call the Home Depot gun on it. It's got your ball valve, your CPVC wand, all of your brass connectors here, your 2 tips, and your 6-shooter. Great option here. And then right next to it, so you have this dual capability, you have your pressure washing reel. Again, another 15-inch Stingray Mako reel here. It's a manual reel, and it's got 200 feet of pressure washing hose on it, non-marking gray hose. All right, so I just want to show you guys really quick here the beauty of these 6-shooters. They come loaded right here with 2 tips in them, but if you notice, there's 4 more options that you can put in here. So, you know, we load them already with a 0020 and a 2040 tip, 20 orifices, a 0 degree and a 40 degree. But you know, I kind of like a 15 degree when I'm spraying soffits, or if you're doing tile roofs, you may want to step up to a 30 orifice at a 0 degree, so that little bit of thicker stream isn't, you know, hurt or manipulated by the wind as much. But I wanted to show you here how much volume this puts out. Now listen, this is a 5.5 gallon per minute pump at about 90 PSI. And this allows you to put out just enough soft washing solution that you're not outrunning the person that's doing the rinsing. So what we'll do here is I'll go ahead and show you. Just real nice, the coverage. Literally how much pressure is coming out of this at the gun, that if you're pre-treating concrete or possibly using a degreaser on a gas station, you're trying to put something out stronger than you can possibly downstream, how much flow that you can put out. And as I put my hand right here in front of it, you can see just how much volume's coming out of there. If I come down here close, it just puts out so much flow, you'd never get down that close because you'd waste a lot of product. And this is how you would pre-treat a surface with like Carlos's EBC or something like that, or Craig's F9 groundskeeper, stronger than you could downstream it, or how you would apply a soft washing solution to a roof or a driveway or a wood deck or something like that. And then of course, you're able to switch over to a 0 degree orifice. We have these actually lanyard onto these guns, so you can't drop it off of a roof, and you're able to shoot out right here. Each one of these slabs is about 18 feet. So you can see right there, I'm just over 36 feet, and I don't have the bleach on, I don't have the soap on, that's just the water. The water's somewhat restricted. So that pump's really only getting about 70% of its capacity of flow. As you turn up the bleach and as you turn up the water, the pump will get more productive and you'll get more distance. But you're able to, if you come back here on the building actually, you can see here, this is a commercial 2-story building. So this is right here over, over 14 feet. And you can see here, I can very easily, from the ground, treat the side of this building and apply my soft washing solution and come down the wall. And you guys can see here, I'm putting a lot of solution on the building. A 5.5 gallon a minute pump is perfect. Anything more than 5.5 gallons a minute, you are possibly going to waste chemical and kill a lot of plants. And you can just come right down the wall just like this, using what we're calling a cross-hatching pattern right now. And you get the benefit of gravity, and that wall right there, go across the top one more time, is completely treated with soft washing solution. Now, the great thing is as you come over here to the curb side of the skid, you'll be able to see that we've got the pressure washer. We have actually relocated the key start. It's normally over here on this side of the machine. We've used a kit that we've developed to relocate it here to the side of the skid so that you can turn this from the side of your truck and have this skid in there. And then right next to it here, we have Disruptor Manufacturing with our mono block here with 2 different metering valves. One of the metering valves is for your bleach, and the other metering valve is for your soap. So you're able to adjust both your sodium hypochlorite or bleach solution, 1 to 5, up to a 50% mix, and also to bring in your soap up to 5 ounces per gallon. So a lot of great choices that you have here. Directly underneath the manifold is the bleach tank. Now these are our Disruptor Manufacturing tanks. This is a 52-gallon tank. All of the wall thicknesses on our Disruptor Manufacturing tanks are double the thickness of standard tanks. Also too, they have the US DOT time date wheel stamped right into the tanks that make them meet everything that they need to meet to not be, people say, is it a DOT certified tank? DOT doesn't certify things, but this meets the DOT standard for carrying chemicals. They are held down with 3-inch aluminum straps. We have graduation stickers on the side so you can see how much fluid is in them. And this is your sodium hypochlorite or bleach tank. Right next to it is your water tank. Again, Disruptor Manufacturing, 52-gallon tank. We graduated up to 50 gallons, 3-inch tank straps, very, very robust, not ratcheting tie-down straps, not stainless steel banding, but actual 3-inch 5051 aluminum tank straps on this. And above it is a Honda GX 390 pressure washer, 5 gallons a minute, 4,000 PSI class pressure washer that is a belt-driven pressure washer, and this thing self-primes. That's how we're able to put it above the tank, and it self-primes from the tank. So in this case, you would be applying your soft washing solution with your actual SoftwashOlogy blend head right here, and that gives you the ability to put on stronger strengths of sodium hypochlorite for like roof cleaning and stuff like that, but also to vinyl siding at a 1% or cleaning wood at a 2%, and then come along and actually use your pressure washer for rinsing, or use it for flat surface cleaning, or use it for taking care of oil and grease, or any of those types of things like you would a standard pressure washer. Another quick little thing I want to point out to you guys right here is the water inlet port. It is a cam lock fitting, banjo cam lock fitting, and that's what your source hose is going to hook up to from the tap back at the building or residence that you're cleaning, and that directly fills here, if you come around the backside, into the tank right here to a Hudson float valve, so you're constantly buffering your water and filling up this tank for both the pressure washer and for the SoftwashOlogy soft washing monoblock that has the metering valves on it right there, all through this single port. If you come around this side here, I want to show you something that makes our builds a little unique. Come all the way around here. And I want to talk to you guys about the unloader. So most of the time these unloaders are plumbed in a loop that goes back into the pump on the pressure washer, and that causes that pressure washer, when you release the gun, for that water to recirculate and recirculate and recirculate, heats up the water, blows out the seals. Not a good thing. We have plumbed this back into the tank, so the pressure washer is drawing from the tank into the pump, and when you release your gun, it goes into recirculate mode. It doesn't recirculate through the head of the pump. It recirculates back into the tank, which keeps your pump head cool, and then you don't have to worry about melting the seals out in your pump. Also too, we go ahead and plumb into each and every one of our pumps here an actual pressure gauge back here, and that pressure gauge gives you the ability to turn up or turn down your pressure at the unloader, because what we found is when you first soft wash concrete and spray chemicals on it, you can come back and use less GPM and less PSI, like about 1,500 to 2,000 PSI at about 3 gallons a minute to then clean that concrete, which keeps a lot of your runoff way down. Gives you a lot of options here on both of these tanks. Here's your 50-gallon water tank, 50-gallon bleach tank, good lids here. And then for your soap, I just want to point out that we have on a lot of our other SoftwashOlogy equipment, as well as on this, you have your soap stinger for dropping this into your 5-gallon bucket of soap or bucket or 1-gallon bucket of material. Squeeze your primer ball here to get it primed up into your line and get it ready to spray with your mixing valve over there, that metering valve on the monoblock. All this stuff here is put together on our beautiful, as I mentioned, 42-inch skids. If you come around this side for me, you'll also notice here that we've got the battery knockouts built in. We do not use fuses on our equipment. We actually have breakers on our equipment because fuses just fail. They're not very robust. They don't do well. We've got our pump here, 5.5 gallon a minute soft washing pump on here that sprays 35 to 40 feet. And then your switch for your soft washing pump is right over here on the back side of this reel. Hey guys, this is a great package right here for you to be able to soft wash, power wash with downstream injection, or pressure wash, all from one skid that's about the size of a regular 40-inch by 4-foot pallet. Sits right in the back of your truck and is forkliftable. Hey, you should give SoftwashOlogy products a try. They're built robust by Disruptor Manufacturing and come with a lifetime warranty. We'll catch you guys later.